Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 15th of March 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a negative note today. Nifty opened flat around 17,166 and then it started falling. Overall the markets looked negative today. At the time of close, Nifty closed around 16,972, which is not a good sign. Similarly, Sensex shed 344 points to give a closing of 57,555. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in red, with Nifty Media emerging as top loser with loss of 1.22%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports and Asian Paints. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 5.74%, 4.19% and 3.11% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Bharti Airtel, IndusInd Bank and Reliance. They fell within the range of 1.69% to 1.92% respectively. For the corporate segment we have Mr. Kumar has resigned as the chairman non-executive, nominee, director, from the board of the LIC Housing Finance. He retired from the services at the Life Insurance Corporation of India on March 13. TVS Motor Company has received the board approval for allotment of 12,500 non-convertible debentures of face value 1 rupee lakh each, amounting to 125 rupees crore, through private placement. The date of maturity of these NCDs will be March 13, 2026. CAPRI Global Capital said its gold loan AUM has crossed the business of 1,000 rupees crore, and its exclusive gold loan branch count has touched 500 plus from 108 branches on the formal launch date. The company had launched its gold loan business in August 2022. Amitava Mukherjee has taken an additional charge as chairman cum managing director of the country's largest iron ore producer. During his tenure as director, finance, NMDC recorded best ever financial performance with a turnover of 25,882 rupees crore, and profit after tax of 9,398 rupees crore in financial year 22. HARDWYN India is going to raise 337.31 crore rupees, as it has received board approval for allotment of 108.66,660 equity shares at a price of 320.4129 rupees per share, through preferential basis by virtue of swap. A subsidiary of GMR Airports Limited and a step-down subsidiary of GMR Airports Infrastructure Limited, formerly known as GMR Infrastructure Limited, GMR Hyderabad International Airport Limited announced that it had effectively raised funds on March 13, 2023, through the issuance of 10 years listed, rated, redeemable, secured non-convertible debentures in the amount of 8.40 billion Indian rupees through a private placement. On BSE Limited, the NCDs will be listed. In a bid to meet the anticipated high power demand in the upcoming summer season, Coal India Limited plans to supply 156 million ton of coal to power plants during April-June. In a statement on Tuesday, the state-run company said that a build-up of 68 million ton coal stock is expected at the pitheads by the end of March. The coal mining major also said that the company would be scaling up its production into a higher orbit, maintaining the pace on the back of an unprecedented 700 million ton output, which is likely to be achieved by the end of financial year 23. For stocks to watch, we have Bharat Heavy Electricals looks good on current market price of 75.10. It can be bought at 75 rupees, keeping target of 85 rupees with stop loss of 68. Hikal Limited in daily time frame is trading around 303.2 points with a change of 6.72%, and is trading with a net volume of around 772,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 300.65, which is a good indication for the investors. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 43.6. An RSI of below 50 may indicate that the stock is in oversold region. Precision Metallics Limited in daily time frame is trading at 31.6 points with a change of 7.48%, and is trading with a net volume of around 18,000 shares. The share price is trading below its moving average 32.3. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 41.01. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.